Hi, I'm Shane. I'm 35 years old. I'm from the UK in Southampton. I started losing my hair about 3 years ago, and I used to have quite long hair, so I decided to get a hair transplant in one of the best clinics in Turkey. What made me decide to get a hair transplant is I used to get my hair cut every week, and it's my barber's fault. He said my hair kept was going. So when I first turned up to Hair of Istanbul, I was really welcome. Amazing people, brilliant people, and the procedure, really good. People say it hurts, but honest to God, it hurts more getting a tattoo than it does with this. Brilliant all the way through, amazing, and amazing people. So at the moment, as you can see, I have a new hairline. Very excited, amazing. I wasn't nervous one bit. Through the procedure, I haven't been nervous since I ever got off the flight. I remember them asking me, am I nervous? I'm not nervous. I've been excited all the way through this, and there is absolutely nothing to worry about. Amazing, and you feel so welcome. So when I started losing my hair, it started affecting my self-conscience. I actually grew my hair really long, and my barber used to flip it over here just to cover that. How I found Hair of Istanbul. I was in my barber's, and I was telling him that I wanted a hair transplant. And he turned around, and there was someone next to him who said, I've had one at Hair of Istanbul. And he got it done in the UK, it fell out. He was researching for about 1.5 years, and he found this place and said it's amazing. So he recommended me, and I've come here and amazing. So when I was in my barber's, I saw someone's hair who come to Hair of Istanbul. Looked so good, it was so thick. Did it over in the UK, it fell out. So he come here and his hair was so thick. So I definitely knew this was the choice of place. I have a lot of tattoos around the side, around the back, and that hurts more than the hair transplant. So if you're thinking about getting a hair transplant or anyone says it hurts, it doesn't, it's amazing. You just get a little pin prick with the needle. After that, brilliant. I wanna say a big, big, big thank you to Hair of Istanbul. I've been welcome here, the place is amazing, the people are amazing, thank you so much.